Hello and welcome to Castle's Corner. I'm Coach Castle, and today we'll be reading a clip from my latest book, The Personal Trainer's Guide to Logical Fallacies. Now, of course, logical fallacies apply in all areas of our life, and in this particular instance, I'm simply applying them to the fact that personal trainers and gym bros frankly have no knowledge of logic, and they really need to learn it so that they can enhance their techniques, improve their bodies much faster, and do everything in a much more efficient manner, saving money, time, and damage to their bodies. Today I'll be addressing argument from tradition. The logical fallacy of argument from tradition assumes that something is true or better because it has been done a certain way for a long time, without considering the possibility that newer and better methods may exist. In the example of the gym goer and personal trainer, the older trainer may argue that their traditional methods are better because they have been using them for years, without considering the possibility that new techniques may be more effective.
I've been squatting, deadlifting, and bench pressing for years. How could you possibly know more than me?
And then you have the rational and intelligent trainer. Well, that's nice. Have you ever considered that there might be a better way using science? This is a logical fallacy because it dismisses the validity of new information based solely on the fact that it is different from what has always been done traditionally.
Facts don't kill.